and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and today is a culinary expedition meal. Tonight we are going to be in Guyana, and today I'm going to be preparing Guyanese Chow mein. Let's get to it. I've got some marinated chicken going on here. It's been marinating for several hours. I'm going to add that to the pan. We're going to saute this just for a few minutes. The chicken is ready, so I'm going to add the onion and the garlic. And we're just going to saute them for a couple of minutes. Now we're going to add the rest of the vegetables: carrots, green beans, green onions, red bell pepper, and hot pepper. We're going to add just a little bit of water because we're actually going to steam these vegetables. And we're going to steam them for about 5 minutes. Okay, the steam has done its work. Now we're going to add the noodles. We're just going to stir them in and incorporate them. The chow mein is basically finished. Let's go to the next step. And here's the final presentation of Guyanese chow mein. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. If you liked this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Have fun cooking.